Big mansions, big cars, tight securities. Ever wonder what it feels like to walk through the most exclusive neighborhood in the Nigerian capital city? Ooh, I found my state. Oyo State Governor's Lodge. Plateau. Welcome to Asokoro. This is the popular roundabout in Asokoro called AYA. From here, we will walk towards the ECOWAS headquarters where the rail tour begins. Asokoro is one of the most high-class and quiet areas in Abuja. This place is totally different. It's actually not your regular Abuja neighborhood. There is no noise, no roadside shops, just quiet streets, big houses and securities everywhere. So this building right here is the ECOWAS headquarters. ECOWAS is a group of 15 West African countries working together to make life easier for their people. They help with free movement of goods and services, so people can travel across West Africa without visa. They also step in during political crises. So anytime there is a crisis in West Africa, ECOWAS is usually the one stepping in. Also, Nigeria seems to be the biggest country in this region, so it makes a lot of sense that the headquarters is here in Abuja. And of course, in Asokoro. Yes. So it won't surprise you to know that this place is where a lot of big decisions are being taken. A lot of big decisions about West Africa are made. Wow, this is amazing. Aside from these private big cars, this keke napep seems to be the only means of public transportation here. Anambra House. So one thing I noticed about this place is the quietness. Asokoro is so quiet. I actually love the calm in this place, you know. This part of Abuja is where most top government officials and big names stays. When I say big name, I mean the most influential people. It is also a place for most governors' lodges and houses for the whole 36 states in Nigeria. Even foreign diplomats and ambassadors live here. So that is why you find a lot of security. So Oyo State Governor's Lodge. Wow, this is amazing. Plateau. Nasarawa State Government. Like I said, security is everywhere. You have to be very careful. You can't even try to do anyhow. Every single place here is full of security checkpoints. This is crazy. Bayelsa State Governor's Lodge. The Bayelsa State Governor's Lodge. I am being so careful to not enter the wrong street, you know, because a couple of minutes ago I was stopped by some security men asking me what I was doing, you know. The cost of living here is just going to be extremely high. The cost of living here is definitely going to be extremely high because of the facilities, how well organized this place is. You know, there are other places I would have loved to show you guys, but because I don't have access to such a place, I won't be able to show you in this particular video. And one thing about this place is that everything looks very well planned, unlike the Wuse or Garki, where you find people selling by the roadside or having shops around the houses. Living here is so going to be expensive, trust me. I can't even start guessing the amount of money people pay to just rent an apartment here in Asokoro. I doubt even renting the smallest apartment will cost you a lot of money. You will be humbled. You will be humbled. Ooh, I found my state. Ocean State Governor's Lodge. So guys, that is it about this part of Asokoro. I will be making subsequent videos about other places in Abuja soon. So do well to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you get notified when I drop those videos. Let me know what you think about this particular one in the comment section below, and I will see you again on the next one. Bye.